Hi there, it's Lee here for iMineBlocks. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your Ethereum Mist wallet working with Parity. So Parity is an alternative Ethereum node, and you basically can use this instead of using Geth. Now, when you use your Ethereum wallet, what normally happens is it actually the Ethereum wallet loads up, and in the background it connects to Geth. And Geth is the actual Ethereum node which does the actual work. Now recently there's been quite a few attacks on the Ethereum network, and most of these attacks are basically being targeted to specific functions within the Geth node. So that means that Geth has been running very poorly, it's been very slow to download the actual blockchain, it's been using lots of system resources, specifically memory. So you might have found that if you're trying to synchronize your Ethereum wallet, you've been having problems with it. I experienced this problem just in this last day, even though it was recently patched to fix these kind of problems, and we're sort of in the same situation again. So what you can do is you can link your Ethereum wallet, the Mist wallet, to actually, instead of connecting to Geth, you can actually connect it to the Parity node. And Parity is basically built to the same specifications, but it's built using different coding. So what that means is that you should end up with a wallet that actually works, which is great. So that's the intro over, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up in Windows. It's not too complicated, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is we want to go to the actual Parity GitHub. So I'll put a link in the actual description. The version that I'm using is 1.3.3, and that was released just yesterday, in fact. So you want to select the Windows installation, so the win64.exe, click that and download it. I've actually already gone through that, so I'm not going to do that. From there, obviously you want to go to your downloads folder and just double click and install it. Once again, I'm not going to do that because I've done that once already. Once you've gone through the actual installation, what you want to do is go to the actual install directory. So I'll just show you where that is. So if you go to your local disk, the C drive, then if you go to program files, ETH core, Parity, and then you've got a few different icons, programs in here. So this Parity.exe, that's the actual file which is going to be running the node in the background, but you need to do something a little bit different so that the actual wallet can connect to it. So what you need to do is you need to right click and create a shortcut for the file. It'll just say that you can't place a shortcut here because it's like a protected folder, so we're just going to place it on a desktop instead. So we're just going to go yes. You can close that window now, and also the browser. I'm just going to close that down as well. So we've got a new shortcut here, the one that I've just created. So what you want to do now is you want to right click and then go to properties, and then you've got this target line. So that is basically a shortcut to the actual file location itself. Then you want to just at the end of that target line, you want to space, then dash dash or hyphen hyphen Geth is what you want to type, and then you want to click apply and OK. So it just saves that shortcut with this extra extension, and what that means is that it allows the Parity to run in a compatible way, as if it's basically almost emulating Geth, and then the Mist wallet can actually connect to Parity instead of connecting to Geth, and basically it should work. So once you've done that, you double click on your revised shortcut, and then this window here will open up. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds to get going, and then you should see some data that looks like this, and that means that it's synchronizing with the actual network. And then from there you can open up your Ethereum wallet as normal, and what it will do is it will actually connect to Parity, and it will start re-downloading the actual blockchain. As before, once the actual blockchain is synchronized, the application will open up as normal, and inside the actual Mist wallet, everything will work exactly the same, but it will just help you get through this memory overload and these attacks that are currently aimed at Geth, until that is basically patched again, which will probably take a few days. So hopefully this has been helpful to you. If it has, let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions or queries, just put those in the comments box below, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.